Hey guys, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Success Sequence, where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So, if you see today's market price action was quite volatile. Market was trading on a very high note when the BGP was leading, but it gave up all the gains when the Congress tied up with the third. Winning party. So if you see, there was a good sort of price action happened today, but the important observation or important takeaways that you should consider from this particular price action is that the previous day's lows were not tested. Market did go down, but it was not gone down as much as it did go on to previous days. So that is something that is suggesting that there is a bullish sentiment prevailing in the market. Further, if you see that though the market has closed down from the previous candles day, it is somehow holding on to it's a crucial psychological support zone, which is 10,800. And further, if you see the option activity range, 10,500 to 11,200 is a broad option activity range. So we can also see an expansion on a higher band by 200 points. So all in all, things looks bullish to me. And let us analyze first the option chart data and the call data first. So if you see, the call data is suggesting a call long covering, which is again bearish, and a call writing position, which is also bearish, stable to bearish, if you would like to specify it in a detail. So all in all, the call chart data looks stable to bearish kind of formation. If you see the maximum change in open interest, which has happened near the level of 11,000, and in terms of call long covering, the maximum change in open interest has happened near the level of 10,700. So no clear move as of now. However, we can see that the 11,000 will be acting as a good sort of resistance for the market if the market tries to trade on a high side. Further, on a put side, there is a exactly contradictory position as to what the call participants are expecting. A put writing is continuing in this particular in this particular fashion. So if you see, 10,800 has seen a maximum change in open interest, close to 8 lakhs 20,000 shares have been added. On a higher side, if you see, 10,900 also has also seen second highest number of change in open interest happening in this particular strike prices. So call chart data suggests bearish move, put chart data suggests a bullish move. So if we try to analyze this particular uh, option price action, what we could make out is that 10,800 should act as a good sort of support for the market. Even if the market goes down, I think 10,600 should again act as a good sort of support for the market. Further, if you see the previous lows, which are falling into the line of 10,777, so 10,750, if you should consider 10,780, let us take that because it also matches with the previous candles. So 10,780 should act as a good support for the market, and today's reversal has also happened at that particular level. So what you need to do is let the market trade on a high side and break the previous candle size, which is placed at near 10,800 and 840 sort of odd level. On the lower side, as I suggested, 10,780 should act as a good sort of support. So till the time market trades between these particular ranges, we are not supposed to see any significant move. But the crucial support, which is 8 days exponential moving average, should not be ruled out. And if the market goes down, takes a support at this particular level, which is 8 days exponential moving average level is around 10,750, you should definitely expect that the market should have something stable to bullish kind of bias in it. So that was my analysis for the Nifty, and technical indicators are not suggesting any clear move. However, if you see, the RSI is sort of suggesting a resistance level on a high side. So let us see how that particular levels holds. RSI looks quite comfortable to me, and that's the only reason when I analyzed the price action tomorrow, I suggested that stable to bullish kind of move you should expect, and you should not worry that the market should fall much. So that is what we have seen today. Now let us check out the option activity range and price action for the bank nifty as well. So if you see the indices, like the bank nifty has closed on a very flattish note. So let me just pull out the chart a bit. So bank nifty has also went out to make a good high, however was not able to sustain and closed slightly below. Again, the price action suggests that the lows have been shifted on a shifted on the high side, so that is again suggesting a bullish move. If you analyze the option activity range, 26,000 to 27,000 is the broad option activity range, and the risk and reward seems to have been spread equally on both the side. If you analyze the call data, you will see that call long has been covered right from the level of 26,000 to 26,400. From 26,500 onwards till 27,000, you can see call long is call writing is happening. So maximum change in open interest has happened near the level of 26,900. So if you see 26,900 is also today's high. So what we should expect is, till the time this particular level is not getting broken out, and if you want to make a very aggressive trade, what you can do is, if the market closes about 26,580, you can definitely expect some long move, and on a lower side definitely you can expect a good support near level of 26,350. So if market breaks any of this range, we can definitely take a trade in the direction of a break. Now let us see the put data. Again, the put data is exactly suggesting a contradictory position compared to the call side, as we have seen in Nifty. Put writing has been happened throughout all the strike prices, and the maximum change in open interest has happened near the level of 26 300. So that is also coinciding with our previous candles low. So 26 300 should act as a good sort of support for the market, and till this level is holding, we are not going to see a much sort of down until the time this particular level holds and the put writing continues. However, one thing is very crucial as far as the bank nifty is concerned. MACD is sort of suggesting a bearish crossover on a high side. So if this crossover continues, this sort of crossover, if you see, once it has taken support here and then went up, so now if it goes down, there will be a good sort of down move. And if the this particular acceleration breaks 26,167, which is 8 days exponential moving average, we can also not rule out the possibility that market can go down till 25,950. But as of now, I don't see that this particular thing should happen. But the things are there. Further, CCI is also trading at a very comfortable level, and the same is the case with RSI. So watch out for the levels, and you can definitely decide, and if you want, you can trade accordingly. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video and want to encourage me to make more of such video, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Press the bell icon if you want to get notified as soon as I update a new video. If you want to join me on my WhatsApp and Telegram broadcast, you can definitely find the link in the video description. Apart from that, if you want to learn the entire system that I have been using to generate buy and sell signal, the detailed playlist is mentioned in the video description. If you have any doubt, question, comment, or query, you can always please feel free to mention it in the video comment section. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.